Hello students, today we are going to do our next questions of exercise 8.2. Here I am taking question number 6. This is first part 2 sin theta is minus 1 is equal to 0, and here in all these questions we have to find theta, 2 theta and 3 theta. So you can write it as 2 sin theta is equal to 1 or sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. Yesterday we have done some trigonometric ratios for specific angles, and from that table we know that sin theta, sin 30 is 1 by 2. So this 1 by 2 can be written as, so on comparing we get theta is equal to 30 degree. So therefore theta is 30, hence 2 theta will be 60 degree and 3 theta will be 90 degree. Similarly, in part number 2, 2 cos 3 theta is equal to root 3. So cos 3 theta will be root 3 by 2, and root 3 by 2 is value of cos 60. Students, अगर इस साइड पर cos है तो you have to check this one value also for cos. So it will be cos 30 and 3 theta will be 30 degree, theta will be 10 degree. So 2 theta will be 20 degree and 3 theta will be 30 degree. Similarly, we can solve remaining part of this question. Here I am taking part number 3. Part number 4. Tangent 3 theta is equal to 1, and 1 is equal to this side is tangent. So we have to check this one value for tangent, and we know that tangent 45 is 1. So in place of 1 we can write tangent 45 degree. On comparing we get 3 theta is equal to 45 and theta is equal to 15 degree. 2 theta will be 30 degree and 3 theta will be 45 degree. Similarly, you can try remaining part of this question. Now, question number 7, part 2. If sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 0, this is given to you. Sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 0, and we have to find sin 4 theta plus cos 4 theta. So we have sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 0. We can shift cos theta on right hand side. Now we can divide both sides by cos theta, and we get sin theta by cos theta is equal to 1. And we know that sin theta by cos theta is tangent theta. So we get tangent theta is equal to 1. Again from this we can find the value of theta, because tangent theta is tangent 45 is 1. So on comparing we get that theta is 45 degree. Now we have to find the value of sin 4 theta plus cos 4 theta. Here putting theta is equal to 45 degree. This will be sin 4 45 degree plus cos 4 45 degree, and we know that sin 45 is 1 by root 2. So after solving this we will get 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Taking 4 as LCM, 1 plus 1, this will be 2 by 4. 2 by 4 means the value is 1 by 2. Similarly, we can try first part of this question. Now question number 8. Question 8 part number 2. If tangent 3 theta minus root 3 is equal to 0, then find theta. Simple question. Tangent 3 theta is equal to root 3 and root 3 is value for tangent 60 degree. So therefore 3 theta is equal to 60 and theta will be 20 degree. So this is the answer of this question. Now question number 9. If triangle ABC is right angled at B, meaning we are having a right triangle in which angle B is of 90 degree, and we have to find the value of sine A plus B. So in triangle we know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180, but angle B is equal to 90 is given. So therefore angle A plus angle C will be 180 minus 90 is equal to 90 degree. So it means we have to find the value of angle A plus C, means we have to find the value of sine 90, and sine 90 is 1. Now question number 10. If A is equal to 15 degree, here A is 15 degree and we have to verify sine 2A, cos 4A and sine 6A is 1. So to verify that, first of all we have to solve this one. Here A is 15, so putting A is equal to 15 degree in 4 sine 2A, cos 4A and sine 6A. It will become 4 sine 2 into 15, cos 4 into 15 and sine 6 into 15. The angle will be sine 30, cos 60 and sine 90 degree. And we all know the values of these T ratios for these angles. So sine 30 is 1 by 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2 and sine 90 is 1. This will cancel out. Finally the answer is 1 and it is equal to right hand side, hence verified. In question number 11, theta is 30 degree and we have to verify that cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. It means we have to check or we have to show that the values of all these parts are same. So here we are taking first of all cos 2 theta. So putting theta is equal to 30 degree. We get cos 2 into 30 is equal to cos 60 and the value is 1 by 2. So cos 2 theta is 1 by 2. Similarly, we have to find the value of 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now again putting theta is equal to 30 degree and we know that cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So square of root 3 by 2, 2 into 3 by 4 minus 1 and it will be 3 by 2 minus 1. Again taking the LCM, 3 minus 2 we get 1 by 2. So 2 cos square theta minus 1 is also 1 by 2. Now third part, 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Putting theta is equal to 30, 1 minus 2 sin square 30 degree and we get 1 minus 2 into 1 by 4. तो 1 minus 1 by 2 is again 1 by 2. So therefore 1 minus 2 sin square theta is also 1 by 2. Now we are left with 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Again putting theta is equal to 30 degree. We get 1 minus 1 by root 3 square by 1 plus 1 by root 3 square. And it will be 1 minus 1 by 3, 1 plus 1 by 3. Now taking the LCM, 3 minus 1, and LCM in denominator will also be 3, and it will be 3 plus 1. So after solving, we get 2 by 3 into 3 by 4. And again it is 1 by 2. So 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta is also 1 by 2. Hence verified. Now question number 11, part number 3. Again theta is 30 and we have to verify that sin square theta by cos square theta plus 1 is equal to 4 tan square theta. So students, here we can convert sin square theta by cos square theta into tan square theta plus 1 is equal to 4 tangent square theta. And it will be 1 minus 4 tan square theta minus tan square theta. So we get 1 is equal to 3 tan square theta, and 1 by 3 is equal to tan square theta. Now putting theta is equal to 30 degree, and 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. Hence verified. Or you can directly put the value of theta here. After that you can solve both of the parts, this one and this one. Now question number 12. If A is equal to B is equal to 60 degree, meaning both of the angles are equal, and we have to verify cos A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So here we are taking left hand side and right hand side separately and putting A is equal to 60 and B is equal to 60. So we get cos 60 minus 60. This will become cos 0 and cos 0 is 1. Again putting the values in right hand side, it will become cos 60 plus sin 60 and sin 60 degree. Cos 60 is 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2. On multiplying these we get 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. After taking the LCM, we will get the value. This side is also 1. So left hand side is equal to right hand side and the value is 1. Therefore, it is verified. Similarly, we can try second part of this question. Now question number 13. Here tangent A is 1 by root 3 and angle C is given to you 90 degree in triangle ABC. Angle C 90 आपको given है, तो therefore we can find angle B, and angle B will be of 180 minus 90. To find angle A we have to solve this part. and this will give tangent A is equal to tangent 30, and this part gives that A is 30 degree. So angle B will be 180 minus 90 minus 30, 120, and this gives angle B will be of 60 degree. Now we have to find the value of sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, and now we are having the values of A and B. A is 30, B is 60. So putting A is equal to 30 degree and B is equal to 60 degree. Now put the values. Sin 30 is 1 by 2, cos 60 is also 1 by 2, cos 30 is under root 3 by 2, and sin 60 is also under root 3 by 2. We can solve it. 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4, and it will be 4 by 4 is equal to 1. So finally the answer for this is 1.